Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you how I make these simple but delicious tostones. All you need is a green plantain, some salt and enough oil to fry. Start with removing the skin. Cut the plantains into slices of about 3 to 4 centimeters and fry it in hot oil until it is golden brown. Then take it out of the oil and place it on a paper towel. So for the next step, there is traditionally a press that is used, but I do not have one. So I use 2 plates to press the plantain down. You could also use a cup to press it down like I'm doing here. But for me, my wooden Ghanaian pestle worked the best. Then fry the plantains for a second time. And season it with salt. And that is how simple this recipe is. And if you like this video, you might actually like this plantain recipe video, or you might like this other video. As always, guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys.